In this video, I'm going to show you how to set the camera to your current view in Blender quickly and easily. First, open Blender, and for this example, we will add a simple object. Just press Shift and A key on your keyboard, go to Mesh, and I'm just gonna add a monkey, which is also known as Suzanne. And now use your middle mouse button to move around and position your view exactly how you want your final camera shot to look. Once you are happy with the view, the next step is to add a camera. Press Shift and A key and go to camera. Just click on camera and you will see the camera will be successfully added. Make sure the camera is selected, then go to the top menu and click on view. From here, just go to align view and just click on align active camera to view. You can also press Ctrl Alt numpad 0 key on your keyboard, and now your camera is perfectly aligned with what you are seeing. If your object is not properly framed, you can make the adjustment. You can just press N key on your keyboard, or you can just click on this little arrow icon like so and go to view and just click on or just toggle on camera to view, and now you can use your middle mouse to adjust it to however you're liking. You can just click on the zoom in and out, and you can also zoom in and out using the middle mouse button. This makes it very easy to fine tune your composition, and that's it. That's how you set the camera to current view in Blender. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.